Welcome to Sky Commodities Weekly Market Commentary. Disclaimer: this weekly market commentary is for information purpose only. Before taking any decision, consult your financial advisor. Major data of this week has economic related data and major events like US Fed Chairman Mr. Powell's speech and OPEC JMMC monthly meeting on Thursday. Now let's see the precious metals outlook. Gold and silver has news like the 10-year Treasury note, the benchmark for US bonds, surged Thursday to about 1.6%, a level that is not seen since February 2020, and into select assets on conviction that the COVID-19 stranglehold on the world economy was eroding despite threat from new variants of the virus. Fundamentally, this is a negative news for precious metals, and technically speaking, this week gold may expect a negative range-bound trade with resistance of 47179 and support of 45512 and 45124 ranges. And silver, last week we mentioned support near 68888, but silver has witnessed a flash trade to 66505 and bounce back 69000 levels on last Friday. And in this week it may expect a mixed trade with support of 65223 and 64072 and resistance of 69931 and 71385 levels. These are the major precious metals outlook. Now let's see the energy outlook. First is crude oil. It has a news like crude oil markets rose for the fourth straight month despite a price drop on Friday, intensifying the challenge of keeping up with their phenomenal run as Saudi Arabia and Russia head into a contentious producers meeting next week with different agendas. Fundamentally, this is a neutral news for crude oil, and technically speaking, this week crude oil may expect a profit booking on higher levels with supports are 4479 and 4289 and resistance near 4725 levels. Next is natural gas. It has a news like significant demand for natural gas in mid-February led to the second largest reported withdrawal of natural gas from storage in the United States. According to the US Energy Information Administration's EIA, weekly stocks fell by 338 billion cubic feet. Fundamentally, this is a positive news for natural gas, and technically speaking, last week we mentioned natural gas that once if it closes below 217, then expect a down up to 197.8, but it dropped up to 199, almost 18 points gain with profit of 22,500 rupees has shown. This week it may expect a buying opportunity near 197.8 levels with target of 217, keeping stop loss of 190 ranges. These are the major energy outlook. Now let's see the base metals outlook. First is copper. It has a news like copper prices scored their largest monthly gain in over 4 years as traders bet that a recovery in the pandemic hit global economy will lead to a significant rise in demand for the industrial metal. But on Friday, copper drops 2%. LME complex falls on higher US dollar index. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for copper, and technically speaking, last week we mentioned copper resistance of 708.2 levels. From there, it dropped 22 points, almost 55,000 rupees profit has shown. And in this week, copper may expect a profit booking rally until breaks 737 levels. Next is aluminum. It has a news like low carbon aluminum, differentials for primary aluminum and value added products in Europe. This is fundamentally a slight positive news for aluminum, and technically speaking, aluminum may expect a mixed trade. Next is lead. It has a news like mix of consolidation and profit taking on the base metals complex just a few days after they all rallied to new year-to-date highs. This is fundamentally a slight negative news for lead, and technically speaking, lead may expect a mild profit booking rally until break above 174.7 levels. Next is zinc. It has a news like zinc ingots across Shanghai increased 37,600 MT in the week ended February 26. This is fundamentally a negative news for zinc, and technically speaking, zinc may expect a profit booking rally until close above 229.2 levels. And the last is nickel. It has a news like nickel ore inventories across all Chinese ports has decreased. This is fundamentally a positive news for nickel, and technically speaking, nickel may expect a mixed trade with resistance of 1461.3 and support near 1303.3 levels. Overall, our weekly market commentary has generated 77,500 rupees worth profit is given. For more information and profits, visit our website www.skycommodities.com. Thank you by Sky Commodities.